Alrighty, what's going to boy coming today on a Monday with a quick little unboxing for y'all. And we are so close to 100,000 views on this channel, which is pretty damn crazy. Let's open this bad boy. This is not from Ringside Collectibles. My order has shipped. Should be here next few weeks. I'll unbox this for you guys. I'm still wearing my shop AW shirt to arrive. What the hell just happened? Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. Doesn't seem to be damaged. Okay. So it's not damaged. Okay, cool. Awesome. This figure is pretty much mint. Ladies and gentlemen, the figure I got from eBay, our very own Bronson Reed. That's definitely cool. Yeah, it's not, the thing said damaged, but I don't see anything that's damaged. Yeah, this is mint. Black Forest, South Australia, 6 foot, 330 pounds. Holy shit balls. Yeah, this is not damaged whatsoever, guys. So we got Bronson Reed, Elite 90 Bronson Reed. That's pretty cool. Should I keep it or open it? Get back these. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what I just done.
Alright guys, as you can tell, there he is. Elite 90 Bronson Reed next to the NXT North American Championship. Comment below if I should take this out of the packaging, guys. And I will see you all very, very soon. We do have a couple of shows coming up this weekend. AWA, Kingdom, next weekend. FWA only at this stage, but we shall see. Until then, peace.